Mom!
What, Mason?
We got a serious problem.
What?
I just drank all the milk, so we're gonna have anything for breakfast in the morning.
Mason, I don't give a damn that we don't have no damn milk. You came in here to tell me that. I am in here watching a movie. I don't give a damn and you don't have no milk.
Can you get up to the store and go get
Mason,
some?
I am not getting up and going to no damn store for no damn milk.
Please.
I don't give a damn.
Hey, if you're going to get him some milk, give me some cereal while you at it.
Y'all both can kiss my ass and you go to sleep. Go the hell on.
So that you're not getting milk?
Fuck no. Go on.
I'm leaving.